Hello friends, good morning. Welcome to my channel Essentials of Management. Motto of this channel is to evolve high standards of education and training of the subject management science in general and that of environment, health and safety management in particular. So today we are going to have management lessons from ancient Indian wisdom. We will have lesson 6. Here we will see the meaning of some subhashit or a shloka from Rigveda which tells us about the teamwork, unity and togetherness. Friends, this ekatmata stotra or ekatmata mantra is the last shloka or sukta from Rigveda. Rigveda ends over here. The last mandala of Rigveda ends here. So that is the ending of Rigveda. So what it says? Om संगचत्वम संवदध्वम संवो मनासी जानताम देवा भागम यथा पूर्वे संजानाना उपासते समानो मंत्राः समिति समानी समानम मनाः सहचित्तमेषां समानम मंत्रमभि मंत्रयेवाः समानेन यो हविषा जुहोमि समानीव आकुतिः समाना हृदयानिव समानमस्तु वो मनो यथा वह सुसहासति. So these are the main 3 shlokas of this ekatmata mantra. Let us try to understand the wonderful meaning of these shlokas. What it says, what the meaning goes, let us march or walk together, talk in one voice, let our minds apprehend alike, in like manner as the ancient devas conquering accepted their portions of offerings. So it is telling that how devas behaved and how they benefited from such behavior, from such togetherness. Common be our prayer, common be the acquirement, common be the purpose, associated be the desire. We shall chant a common prayer while offering a common oblation, that is Havisha or Havirbhag, an offering to the God. Common be our intentions, common be the wishes of our hearts, common be our thoughts, so that there may be thorough union amongst us. Friends, if you go through this text, we can understand that what best message of teamwork and unity can be there than this ekatmata mantra. So friends, try to understand, Rigveda is thousands of years old, and in the Rigveda we have been given lesson of how to live together, how to be together and how work as a team. So this is really wonderful that we have such texts and such shlokas which educate us to work in team. अभी इसका हिंदी में अर्थ और संदेश क्या है? आइए हम एक साथ आगे बढ़े, कदम से कदम मिलाकर चले, एक स्वर में बात करें, हमारे दिमागों को समान रूप से समझने दे। जैसे प्राचीन देवों ने सहमति व्यक्त करते हुए अपने हिस्से का प्रसाद स्वीकार किया था। हमारी प्रार्थना समान हो, प्राप्ति समान हो, उद्देश्य समान हो, हमारी इच्छाएं जुड़ी हो। आओ हम सब मिलकर एक साथ एक ही प्रार्थना करें और एक ही आहुति अर्पित करें। हमारे इरादे समान हो, हमारे हृदय की इच्छाएं समान हो, हमारे विचार समान हो, ताकि हमारे बीच पूर्ण एकता हो सके। दोस्तों, इससे ज़्यादा सुंदर एकात्मता का विचार और क्या हो सकता है। सो फ्रेंड्स, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। प्लीज resume viewing. For that, switch on to the lesson 7. Here again we will look some other shloka telling us importance of teamwork, unity and togetherness. Friends, please do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Have a good day.